Alright guys, hope everyone's doing well. Coming at you here with a new video. Yeah, I'm all dressed up, ready to go. It's snow blow here. We got some crazy snow, about 18 inches, and man, we were hit hard. I was out earlier this morning doing a drone video, and that will be coming out a little bit later on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So I went to St. Albans City, about 6 miles east of here, and did some droning. Came out pretty well. So check that out. In a couple hours I'll be up and running here, but right now I'm just gonna clear some snow. Just a real short video, let you guys know we're still alive here. 18 inches of snow. It's cold. It's like negative 15 right now with the wind chill, freezing. So I'm gonna get this done. Got a lot of driveway to clear, so wish me luck here. All right guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll catch you later.